my god, you guys. This is one of the most important boxes that has ever arrived at my house. I am so excited! No, this is not an LG digital photo frame. This is a box sent to me from my friend in the States containing amazing items. I only know one, and the one item is what I sent her searching for, a manhunt of epic proportions to ensure I got this item. The rest is stuff that she happened to find while on the search and threw in here for me, and I got no idea what they are, but I am so excited. I'm sure they're amazing. She's got excellent taste and knows exactly what I like. So another big, huge thank you to Jade for doing all this for me, putting this together, sending it up. She is amazing. Polaroid cosplay, my 11, so I would definitely give her a follow. But now, let's get this unboxed! I got my scissors. I'm going to show you the item that I specifically requested last, and everything else first, obviously, because it's a very special item. It's a very, very special, very important item. It is Stranger Things related, as I'm sure you figured out by this video title. So put a guess in the comments right now. What do you think the item I requested is? Oh man. There's so much good stuff! First up is the Stranger Things Scoops Ahoy lunch bag. Oh my god, this is so funny. This is amazing. I am so stoked. It's Velcro, but like very strong Velcro, so that's exciting. And it opens up to be that big. You could definitely fit a whole lunch in here. Oh my god, this is so funny. I told you it'd be full of great stuff. This is super, super fun. I love this a lot. And I'm gonna start bringing it to work every single day. And they're gonna know how much more of a loser I am, because they definitely already know, but this is gonna make it even more clear. So you can get this bad boy at Hot Topic, as I'm sure with a lot of these Stranger Things things. Check it out if that's what you're into. Next, we have this bracelet set, also Hot Topic. It's got Steve Harrington's bat, and then Protect the Kids, 2 bracelets. This is so cute. I love this bracelet set, especially the bat. I'm a big fan of the bat, and I miss mine greatly, so this is a nice little reminder. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. I can't decide if I should add these to my Steve Harrington Eat-A bag, or if I should just wear them. I don't know. Maybe both. But, oh, it's so cute. Okay. I am losing my mind. Ah! Oh my god! Look at him! Oh my god, I have never seen this type of thing in Canada. We definitely do not have these, so there's no way I ever could have gotten him. Oh my god, I love him so much. Oh my god, he's got a hard little base. So in theory, if you're using something a little more sturdy than my hand, he can definitely stand on his own. And there's a little hook here too. You could hang him should you want to do that. Should I put this on my backpack? Oh my god, he's so cute. I'm gonna put him with my Stranger Things pillows. They're gonna hang out together. It's gonna be a party. I'm very excited. This I kind of had an idea because she took some pictures of it. But it's been taken out of the box, obviously, to help send it up. Oh my god! This is an ice cream cone. Scoops Ahoy pool floaty. Oh my god, it's so big. I don't know what's better, honestly, this pool floaty or my Loki Dragon pool floaty, because that bad boy is pretty great. But I mean, this is Scoops. So inflated, it's like you're laying in a big sundae ice cream cone thing with a cherry on top. I absolutely have to take some photos as Steve with this. Like, I can't not. Oh my god, Jade, you're a hero. You're a national icon. Okay, and the final gift from her that I had another inkling about. Again, they were taken out of package for ease, but these are 2 Scoops Ahoy sailor hat pool floaties, but not for people, for your drinks. Which, by the way, like, until recently I didn't even realize was like a popular thing. I've never really tried to take a lot of drinks in the pool, but now I will. Oh my god, this is so funny. These are definitely going in the photo shoot with the big ice cream cone. Like, everything all at once. Yes, please. Look at this. I'm truly living my best life. I don't know if that's a good life, but I'm living it. Oh my god, I want to inflate these so bad. I don't know what I'm going to put in them though. I don't really like drink a lot of alcohol. Maybe like some Crush. They used to drink that in the 80s, right? I don't know. Maybe like a Slurpee. A Slurpee would be fun. Okay, it's coming. The piece de resistance. That was terrible French. Don't judge me. If you haven't put your guesses down below, do it now. Da 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 da. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. As soon as I saw Loungefly advertise this, I knew I absolutely had to have it. I didn't know how I was going to get it. I didn't know where it was going to be released yet, but I knew that this was going to be my backpack. And then it was announced to be a San Diego Comic-Con release, and I was like, oh, well, I'm not going to that, but I have friends who are going, and I am definitely going to get them to get me this bad boy. And then it turns out my friend was only going to be there Saturday and Sunday, was going to be there later in the day, so it might not have worked out. But the heavens smiled down upon me, and a certain amount of these were released at very specific GameStops in the States. We don't have GameStops. I instantly went on a manhunt. I called all the GameStops that were close enough in theory that I could drive the next day to get. They didn't have it. I got a couple of friends who were willing to go and look for this for me, so I called all the GameStops kind of near them, and only one had it. So I sent Jade to go and get it. She goes, and it turns out they were wrong. Didn't have it. But apparently when this woman saw my Scoops Ahoy Steve cosplay, she was like, no, we're getting her this backpack. Called around to all the rest of the GameStops across the country to find one that still had this because they were selling out like crazy. She found one that still had it and made them ship it into their store so I could have it. And this is the best thing that I have ever owned. I cannot wait to wear this with my Scoops Ahoy outfit. It's the only bag it's getting from now on. It is so cute. I am obsessed with Loungefly on a good day. Not sponsored by Loungefly, but like, could you imagine? Wow. And this just like kicked things up a notch for me. It is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. And you know, these backpacks are small and a lot of people worry about that, but honestly you can fit a decent amount of stuff, and then I have other ones, like I said, obsessed. But I'm stoked. Oh my god. The inside, I don't know, is like, it says Starcourt. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna be happy until I die. This is the best thing. I'm so excited. Alright, this has been my Stranger Things unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I know there's been a little bit of unboxings on this channel recently. I've just been obsessed with Stranger Things. I can't help myself. But we got some con videos coming up, so that'll break up the monotony. Thank you again to Jade for getting me what I needed and then sending me all this extra fun stuff that I love. You're an angel. You're an amazing 11. Everybody go and follow her. She's great. So is your guess correct about what I wanted? It was truly something I had to have in my life. There's no way I could live without this. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today. Me and Steve say bye!